Okay, YouTube, we coming right back at you tonight with another video. This time we making fried cabbage, Miami style, and cornbread. I'm gonna take the shortcut because I don't feel like making it from scratch. But y'all stick around and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. I'm gonna start out by cutting up some bacon. Then I'm gonna cut up the sausage. I think I'm gonna put some sausage in here. There ain't gonna be a whole lot of talking. Y'all gotta watch and stay with me so you can see what's going on down here in Miami. We Southerners, we like to put sausage in our fried cabbage. Just stick with me, y'all. I got my pan preheating in the back over there behind me. Hope everybody had a good day today. Shout out to all my YouTubers that come to the channel, watch the videos and subscribe. That's what keeps everything going. Helps the algorithm out. Okay, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Okay, YouTube, I got my pot preheating over here. I'm going in with my bacon. I'm gonna let that brown up a little bit, then I'm gonna add my sausage. Y'all stay tuned. This here is just to make some good oil for seasoning. You fry your cabbage up in bacon grease with the sausage. Oh man, it come out real good. Have you saying, that's good cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my sausage in, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna show y'all how I cut my cabbage up. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook down. While that's cooking down, I'm gonna cut up my cabbage. Okay, let me show y'all what I do with my cabbage. I like to take some of these outside pieces off. When I cut it up, I'm gonna put it all in the sink and I'm gonna wash it. I don't think I'm gonna put all that on video, because I don't want y'all to get bored. I like to cut around the core. See that core? Get that up out of there. This core don't mean nothing to you. You can get rid of that. Ones I took off the outside. Okay, y'all stand by. I'm gonna get me a bowl that I can put this in when I cut it up. Okay, I'm thinking that this bowl that I got here should be big enough. So even though I'm cutting it, when I put it over there, I'm gonna squeeze it, crunch it up a little bit, get it separated. Crunch it up like that. Fried cabbage, Miami style. Never had it like this before. Y'all should try it. You gotta make you some. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this cabbage up. Then we're gonna check in on our bacon and our sausage. We're gonna season the pot and put it in there. While the cabbage is cooking down, we'll go ahead and get our homemade Jiffy cornbread ready to go. Okay, YouTube. Gonna go ahead and check on our sausage. Uh-oh, one got away. One got away. Sausage and bacon that's in the pot here. Add some seasoning to the pot. A little garlic salt, black pepper, and some complete seasoning. I got my cabbage all washed up and ready to go. I didn't want to bore y'all with all the particulars, but now we're gonna go ahead and add that to the pot. Notice we're not adding no water to this because cabbage makes its own moisture. So we're gonna put it in here, cover it up and let it start to steam. That's why we call it fried cabbage. Okay, YouTube, now we're gonna go ahead and get this homemade cornbread ready for the oven. Got my oven preheating at about 400. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get this cornbread and the cabbage to get done at the same time. Whisk them around a little bit. Now, the recipe calls for 1 egg, and a 1/3 cup of milk. Now we're gonna mix that all up. I'm gonna add a little touch more milk. Not too much. Okay. Get it all whisked up together real good. Make sure the egg and the milk is all incorporated. Y'all don't go stealing my homemade cornbread recipe now. Okay, that's looking real good. Now, take my cast iron, I'm gonna spray it with some Pam. Don't want my cornbread to stick. Introduce it to the pan. Okay, now we're gonna go in a preheated oven, preheated at 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. And then I'm gonna show y'all how the cabbage coming along. Okay, YouTube, we got our cornbread in the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and check this cabbage, steaming down real good. See, and remember, I didn't put no water in this. It made its own moisture. That's why they call it fried cabbage. Only thing in the pan was a little bit of oil from the bacon and the sausage. It's almost there. It's gonna be ready before my cornbread. I underestimated. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna turn it down low. Just let it steam. Y'all stand by and I'll show you the final product. Okay, YouTube. Cornbread ready, cabbage ready, looking good. Let's plate it up. Get ready to eat. All right. Got our cornbread, cabbage, and sausage ready to go. We're gonna plate this up. It's dinner time. Fried cabbage, Miami style. Man, that looked good.